Hi, I'm Ken with Basement Waterproofing Specialists. What you're looking at here is one of the systems we've perfected. Our specialty is stone foundations, whether they be old farmhouses or just simply an old home. One of the things we just did was dig out an old stone foundation crawl space, convert it into a basement, made it completely dry and usable as a rec room. We also put an outside entrance in, so now you've got another 1,100 square feet of space. One of the problems with stone foundations, they're a great foundation, is water comes through around the mortar joints and a lot of the parging has fallen off. 10, 15 years later, somebody reparges the walls, but they still fall off. And the problem with that is the water's penetrating through. We've developed a system specifically for this foundation. And what we do is we take a heavy 10 mil heavy-duty vapor barrier, lay it against the wall. We then take wire steel lath and we mechanically fasten it into the rock. By then we do a scratch coat and a finish coat of concrete. This is your finished coat. Now this has been on that particular board about 10 years in and outside of about 200 trucks, and it's still in perfect shape. Water is still going to come in. It hits the back of the vapor barrier. It runs down under the ground. We tie it into a special French drain system specifically designed for stone foundations. The basement now is dry. You can actually put wainscoting against it, and it's a finished basement. For this and any other water management problems you might have, stone foundations, structural problems of any kind, or mold remediation problems, the only person to call is my family's company, Basement Waterproofing Specialists. I'll treat you like you're my family.